the scooter, guys. Where are you going? Hey, slow down. Hey, it's hard to hold this. Oh, you look so cool. Yeah. I will catch you. Wonder Woman. Ken, hold on. I gotta adjust. Oh no. What happened?
My leg was off.
Uh-oh. Oh no. Walk the dog. I'm walking the dog. Oh, there's my doggy, but it fell. I'm walking. See? Oh. What are you doing? My doggy. There's my doggy. Whoops.
You have a doggy? Oh. Doggy's good.
So.
You're like a drone.
I'm zooming on your face, Caitlin. That was funny. Ride in the wind. Stop charging at me. It's a little scary. I'm not very good at this when I have to. Someone else hold it. I can't do this. I'm not a good multitasker. Hold on. We should probably do another one. Hello. Bye.